Orthotic 3D printing made simple. Introducing Shaped, the first orthotic 3D printing filament of its kind. A biocompatible filament that's easy to print, effortless to finish, remoldable at low temperature, and is compatible with a wide range of FDM and FFF printers. Unlike conventional 3D printing materials, Shaped can be reshaped after printing, starting at just 55 degrees Celsius, ensuring a perfect fit for every patient's unique anatomy. So, how does it work? Capture precise anatomical details with a 3D scan. Digitally model a fully customized orthosis using specialized software. Load the filament and bring your digital design to life. Apply the printed orthosis to the patient. Fine-tune and adjust for maximum comfort and proper joint alignment. A new option for custom orthotic fabrication, a trusted quality brand, a new era in hand therapy. Shaped. Shape it your way.